discussing weathering, obviously, if weathering occurs, there has to be certain effects as well. Okay. Now, what are the effects of weathering? Rocks are disintegrated and decomposed due to the work of different processes of weathering. This we have already studied. They produce a large amount of rock waste. Rock waste. If you go to Pitambara side, you will find lots of debris over there. That is rock waste. Normally, the waste lie over the unweathered fresh rock and are called regoliths. So these debris will lie over fresh rocks. Good rocks are beneath and bad rocks are just piled up on top. This is called regoliths. The weathering rock material is very useful in the process of soil formation and can also expose mineral deposits as well. Now, weathering can cause damage to human settlements in the foothill zones where the mass movement of rock waste come down the hill slope, and these can damage and break the houses which are built in the valleys. Okay. Then the rapid rate of weathering due to deforestation in hilly areas can cause overloading of rivers and retard their flow. This can also cause rapid rate of siltation in the river bed. Then continuous removal and transfer of disintegrated and deposed rocks through landslide, rock hills, rock slides, etc. can cause lowering of the height of the affected area and also help in the evolution and formation of various landforms. Okay. When these debris are removed, obviously not only negative points, there are some positive points also, and flat lands are formed. So these are some of the effects of weathering. And finally, now we come to the weathering in different climatic conditions. As you know, India has got many regions. There is equatorial region, tropical region, desert region, temperate region, polar region. Okay, which are many. Some are very cold, some are very hot, some are moderate, some are hot and some are cold in winter. Such types of regions are there. So obviously, even the weathering occurs differently in different areas. For example, the effects of weathering on rocks vary regarding the prevailing climatic conditions in that area, and the climatic conditions play an important role in different weathering processes. For example, number 1, the equatorial regions experience hot and humid climate almost throughout the year. In such conditions, the chemical weathering is also more rapid and continuous. Secondly, the tropical region have a distinct dry season and wet season. The evaporation is high and oxidation of iron and aluminum takes place. In this region, weathering helps in the formation of laterite soil. Okay. Now, in the desert region, the climate is hot and dry. In such areas, mechanical weathering is common. In some semi-arid regions, some chemical weathering also takes place. Now, the temperate region, frost is the most powerful agent of mechanical weathering. Chemical weathering through solutions is more effective in the limestone areas only. And lastly, in polar regions, the climate is very cold throughout the year. The permanent snow cover prevents the weathering of rock surface. At some places, due to frost action, mechanical weathering can also occur. Okay, children? So, I hope this chapter is quite clear to you all, and now please see the exercises on page number 68 and 69. Okay, now you must be seeing a set of questions over here. It is up to you. Once again I repeat, it is up to you. If you want in your register, you can solve these question answers also. No problem. Okay, and if you prefer, you can make notes also as you please, or whatever you find convenient for yourself. I have no problem with that. My main concern is that you should go through the lesson, see it, listen to the videos regularly, and for all your difficulty or difficult points, please write them on a paper and we will discuss the same in our Zoom classes. Okay, children? So I hope you have understand and you will do your best. Okay? Bye.